Welcome to Omasae, where simple materials and creative ideas come together to transform outdoor spaces into something warm, inviting, and full of rustic charm. In today's video, we explore easy upcycled garden decor ideas that are perfect for bringing a relaxed summer atmosphere into your outdoor space. By reusing everyday items and combining them with natural textures, each design becomes both meaningful and visually appealing. These ideas celebrate the beauty of imperfection, where weathered surfaces, aged metals, and handcrafted details create a sense of authenticity that feels timeless. Instead of relying on expensive materials, these projects focus on what you already have, turning overlooked objects into something purposeful and beautiful. The combination of wood, metal, rope, and greenery creates a balanced and harmonious environment that feels both grounded and refreshing. Soft movement from hanging elements, gentle light reflections, and layered textures all work together to create a calm and inviting mood. Each idea is designed to be approachable, making it easy to create something special without complicated tools or techniques. Whether you're refreshing a small corner or styling an entire garden, these projects offer flexibility and creativity. They also encourage a slower, more intentional way of designing your space, where every piece has a story and a purpose. As you watch, imagine how these easy transformations could bring warmth, personality, and a peaceful summer feeling into your own garden. If you enjoy relaxing DIY inspiration like this, take a moment to like the video, subscribe to Omasae, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. A vintage iron chandelier planter adds elegance and height to outdoor spaces through its layered structure. Each arm of the chandelier can hold small pots or hanging plants, creating a cascading display. The aged metal surface enhances the rustic aesthetic while maintaining a refined look. Suspended above a seating area or garden corner, it becomes a striking focal point. The combination of metal and greenery creates depth and movement. Light filtering through the structure adds visual interest. This piece transforms vintage decor into a sophisticated garden feature. Simple stacked stone Zen cairns bring a sense of balance and tranquility to quiet areas of the garden. Carefully placed stones form vertical stacks that emphasize stability and harmony. Each piece is selected for its shape and texture, creating a thoughtful composition. These structures encourage mindfulness and calmness in outdoor spaces. Placed near pathways or seating areas, they serve as subtle focal points. The natural tones blend seamlessly with surrounding elements. This idea highlights the beauty of simplicity and balance. A wooden crate mini garden display adds structure and layering to outdoor decor. Crates are stacked or arranged to create shelves for plants and decorative items. The natural wood tones provide warmth and contrast with greenery. This setup allows for creative arrangements and easy customization. Placed against a wall or in a corner, it becomes a focal point. The layered design adds depth and organization. This idea turns simple materials into a versatile garden feature. An upcycled colander hanging planter offers a simple and charming way to introduce greenery into vertical spaces. The perforated surface naturally allows for drainage, making it ideal for planting herbs or small flowers. Suspended with rope or chain, it creates a light and airy feature that gently moves with the breeze. The worn metal surface adds a rustic touch that blends beautifully with outdoor environments. Placed near a window, pergola, or tree branch, it becomes both functional and decorative. The combination of metal and greenery creates a pleasing contrast. This idea transforms a common kitchen item into an elegant garden accent. Repurposed rubber boot planters bring a playful and creative spirit into the garden while maintaining a rustic charm. Old boots are filled with soil and plants, turning them into unique containers full of personality. Their upright shape creates a vertical element that stands out among traditional planters. Placed along pathways or near garden beds, they add character and visual interest. The contrast between the sturdy material and soft plants creates balance. Weathered finishes enhance their natural appeal over time. This idea adds a touch of creativity without overwhelming the space. A bicycle wheel vertical garden trellis introduces structure and movement into the garden through its circular form. Mounted against a wall or fence, the wheel becomes a support for climbing plants to grow and spread. The spokes create natural sections that guide vines upward in an organic pattern. As plants develop, they soften the metal frame and create a living piece of art. This design combines functionality with visual appeal. The circular shape adds rhythm and flow to the space. It transforms a simple object into a dynamic garden feature. Twig nest garden decor brings an organic and sculptural element into outdoor spaces. Twigs are arranged into nest-like forms, creating a natural and artistic shape. These pieces can be placed on the ground, tables, or within garden beds. The design emphasizes texture and form rather than color. Surrounded by plants, they blend seamlessly into the environment. Their simplicity adds quiet visual interest. This idea reflects the beauty of nature's own design. Tin can lanterns offer a simple way to introduce soft lighting into the garden. Recycled cans are patterned and fitted with candles or small lights. When illuminated, they cast gentle patterns onto surrounding surfaces. This creates a warm and inviting evening atmosphere. Hung or placed along pathways, they guide movement and add charm. The metallic surface reflects light subtly. This design combines functionality with ambience. Rope-wrapped tall planters transform ordinary into textured and visually appealing garden features. By wrapping rope around the surface, the design gains warmth and a handcrafted feel. The vertical shape adds height and dimension to the space. These planters work well for both greenery and flowering plants. The natural tones of the rope complement the surrounding environment. Placed in groups, they create a layered and cohesive look. This idea combines practicality with rustic elegance. Driftwood and shell wind chimes introduce gentle sound and movement into the garden. Pieces of driftwood form the base, while shells are suspended to create soft, natural tones. As the wind passes through, the chimes produce a calming rhythm. The weathered textures of the materials enhance the coastal aesthetic. Hung in open areas, they catch both light and breeze. This feature engages multiple senses, adding depth to the environment. It creates a relaxing and peaceful atmosphere. These easy upcycled garden ideas show how simple materials can be transformed into beautiful and meaningful outdoor decor. Each design highlights the balance between creativity and practicality, creating spaces that feel both functional and inviting. By reusing everyday items, you add character and sustainability to your garden. The combination of textures, shapes, and natural elements creates a calm and cohesive atmosphere. These projects encourage a slower and more thoughtful approach to design. Even the smallest details can bring warmth and personality into your space. If these ideas inspired you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Omasae, and share your favorite project in the comments below.